I've got great news for you. Here is an amazing cell phone tip guaranteed to improve your mental health. Doing what I'm about to suggest will allow you to enjoy being in a better mood right away and have far less stress and anxiety. In fact, I think you'll be impressed with just how fast this works. Hey there, smart people. Your favorite Uncle Matt back with you. Are you among the many people who suffers from social stress and anxiety? Do you wish you could be in a better mood most of the time? Wouldn't it be great if you could do something simple to immediately improve your mental health that doesn't cost you either time or money? I know that may sound too good to be true, but hang in there with me, because I will always do my best to steer you right. In my video, The Rule of Two Study Secret to Get the Highest Score in Exams, I mentioned this simple idea in passing and promised to elaborate on it. Here it is. Limit your cell phone screen time to just 2 hours per day. Yikes! I know. You'll love your phone. But is it a healthy love? You're about to get 7 truly compelling benefits that limiting your cell phone screen time each day is guaranteed to help you improve your mental health and allow you to be in a better mood. Be sure to watch all 7 of them, because I'm sure some will certainly surprise you. Also, I've got 2 additional benefits at the end. These are a little more metaphysical, whereas the first 7 are practical. But they're all solid advantages just the same. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, and comment, in addition to subscribing. Hit the little bell icon to be notified each time I release a new video. Here we go. Number 1, decreased social comparison. On social media, people often compare their lives to others, which can lead to feelings of inadequacy and lower self-esteem. Reducing screen time can reduce exposure to these harmful social comparisons. In my video on social media and mental health, I use the example of a simple gym sock. Everything on the outside with the design and the look is nice and neat, but when you look inside, it's pretty messy. That's just how people present themselves online. Superficially, it all looks good to the viewer, with no attention being paid to all the real-life turmoil that's part of everybody's life. Number 2, improved productivity. Excessive phone use can lead to procrastination and reduced productivity, which can cause stress and frustration. Limiting screen time can improve focus and reduce these negative feelings. Number 3, less multitasking. Excessive phone use often leads to multitasking, which can reduce cognitive performance and increase stress. By limiting screen time, individuals can focus on one task at a time and potentially experienced reduced stress. In several of my videos, I've talked about overcoming procrastination, and I've also covered how multitasking can be detrimental and the best ways to improve your focus. Number 4, reduced exposure to negative content. There's no shortage of bad news in the world. It doesn't matter how old you are, it never changes. Cell phones often expose us to various forms of content, including news, social media, and online discussions. Much of this content can be negative, which can contribute to feelings of stress, anxiety, or sadness. Limiting screen time reduces exposure to such content. Number 5, increased face-to-face social interactions. Human beings are social creatures, and spending time with friends and loved ones in person can boost mood and provide emotional support. Excessive screen time can lead to decreased face-to-face social interaction. I've seen young people sitting at the same table, all looking down at their phones, sometimes even messaging each other instead of talking. If that's you, stop doing that and set a good example to others. Number 6, more time for physical activity. Spending less time on screens leaves more time for physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Being active can also help reduce stress and improve overall emotional well-being. Physical activity is one of the very best ways to relieve stress and elevate your mood. Just going for a simple walk or bike ride can do wonders for you. Number 7, reconnection with hobbies and interests. Limiting screen time gives people more opportunity to engage in hobbies, interests, and activities that they're passionate about. These pursuits can provide a sense of purpose and satisfaction, which contributes to a better mood. I promised you 2 additional benefits. These are a little more metaphysical than the first 7, but are absolutely worth considering. The first is increased mindfulness and presence. Constant phone use can distract individuals from being fully in the present moment. Reducing screen time allows for greater mindfulness, which can lead to increased contentment and reduced stress. Do your best to be in the present moment. Concern about the past is called guilt or regret. Concern about the future is called worry. Neither the past or future exists. Be in the present, as it is the only reality. I saved the strangest one for last. Less blue light exposure. This one will help you sleep better and allow your body to recover properly and be fully rested. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with the body's natural circadian rhythms, potentially leading to sleep disturbances and mood imbalances. By reducing screen time, especially before bedtime, individuals can improve their sleep quality and overall mood. It's important to note that the impact of screen time on mood will absolutely vary from person to person. Some people may be more sensitive to the negative effects of excessive screen time, while others may be less affected. The key is to find a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy the benefits of technology without compromising your well-being. Here's what's next. Check out these other videos that I've selected for you. You'll also find links to the videos I mentioned in the description below this video, along with other resources I believe you will find to be helpful. And I'll see you on my other videos soon. Thanks for watching.